I just got this day leave-in conditioner and we're gonna give it a try. Never used it before, so this is the first time. First, spray's nice. Nice fine mist. Wow. That is the best smelling hair conditioner I've ever smelled. Mirage Mist Leave-In. That is delicious. It smells like fruit. It smells like fruit. Maybe like a grapefruit? I'm not sure. But now we need to test it and see how well does it comb out my hair. My hair is pretty tangly, so let's see how well this works. God, I love this smell. It's just a very happy smelling product. All right. I would say that it's detangling quite well. It's also a heat protectant. And usually what I do is I like to sleep with my hair wet, and then in the morning I like to blow dry my hair. But I'm impressed. This smells good, works good. My hair is coming out of its tangles quite well. It's supposed to be also like an anti-frizz conditioner and adds shine. So, my first initial response, I love it. It's amazing. This stuff smells so good I can't even get over it. I was not expecting that. This is amazing. It's vegan, cruelty-free, no synthetic parabens, phtalates, or synthetic colors, so that's good. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the day. This is my first day product that I've tried. So, hair, nice and detangled, smooth. And then tomorrow we're gonna blow dry it. I still got a little bit brushing to do, but my hair doesn't feel like it's pulling at all. I recommend this. I'm a fan. And my hair is bleached and extremely long and pretty thick. So if it works on mine, I can only imagine it working just as good on yours. This is a yes. This is a yes in my book.